Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Avast for secure browsing and privacy cleanup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.avast.com and hit enter. Wait for the Avast homepage to load completely. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the Avast login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Now, input your password in the second field. Once both fields are filled, click on the Sign In button. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. After logging in, you will be taken to your Avast dashboard. Here, you can manage your account settings and subscription details. To enhance your browsing security, locate the Privacy or Security section on the dashboard. Explore options related to secure browsing and configure them as needed. For privacy cleanup, find the Cleanup tool on the platform. Follow the prompts to scan your system for any privacy issues. After the scan is complete, review the results carefully. Select the items you wish to clean and proceed with the cleanup process. Finally, ensure you log out of your account if you are using a public computer. You can now enjoy secure browsing and improved privacy cleanup with Avast. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.